See, the overall service-wise, it was very good. Whatever we have expected, they have executed, as per our expectation, and the project is delivered on the time. So we are very happy with them. Yeah, design phase, it took lots of time. Along with the designer, we have invested lots amount of time. We have visited their offices, and they also come up here on site, and we both sit and discuss everything. And whatever our requirement, they listen patiently. They understand it, and they give many options. And among them, we have selected whatever we like, and they have again design phase. It was very good, and whatever we expected, it came out like that only, whatever is our expectation. And they have patiently, they have understand our requirement, they worked on it, and they have executed very well. So a big thanks to each one of from the Decotales teams, and I wish all the best for them in the future. Thank you.